This review sheet represents the Cori cycle, and the Cori cycle, at least the way I've drawn it and as is described in the book, it starts in a muscle cell, probably a fast twitch muscle cell, and this muscle cell will bring in glucose, change that glucose to glucose 6-phosphate by adding a phosphate to the glucose. And this down arrow represents glycolysis. So this down arrow would represent glycolysis. And you know that the end products of glycolysis are a net of 2 ATPs and also 2 lactate molecules. So lactate is formed at the end of glycolysis. That lactate then moves out into the bloodstream. So this would also be lactate that is circulating in the bloodstream. And then it is sent to the liver cell. The liver cell will change this lactate back into pyruvate. And pyruvate, or lactate actually, are used as gluconeogenic precursors. So this up arrow would represent the process of gluconeogenesis. And this process of gluconeogenesis is to make new glucose. So taking pyruvates or taking lactates, 2 of those would be put together to make a new glucose 6-phosphate molecule. That glucose 6-phosphate molecule is released into the bloodstream as glucose and then taken up by the muscle cell to make glucose 6-phosphate. So the Cori cycle is a way to sort of circulate glucose to lactate and then lactate or pyruvate back up to glucose. And this is described in our textbook called the Cori cycle, where lactate is a valuable waste product. It can be used as a precursor for gluconeogenesis. And here's their figure of this process.